This is day 3 of Amazon coloring book Whimsical Universe. Today I spent quite a while going through my material stashes, testing their behavior and how they work with what is already on the paper. I'm mainly testing for opacity and layering. I also pick up a colourless blender for the colored pencils. Well, I'm going to build slowly, and I can already say that I will hate it. Anyway, I start with the scallopy bit first. I'm trying to resolve the light logic. I pick up a blue pencil, but I'm not happy with it. So I switch between different blues, eventually settling on a violet and a purple and a darker blue to build shadows. I'm switching between pencils and the colourless blender, occasionally sharpening the point. I tried the eraser that is on my desk. I'm surprised that you can actually erase or lift colored pencil. I didn't know that. And I realized I've never really worked this way with colored pencils. not to the extent of wanting to erase or lift something. Anyway, I keep building the contrast. Here I'm mostly thinking about cast shadows. I'm darkening some bits and then increase the saturation in the lighter parts. I'm taking my time trying to imagine where the light comes from. In the rainbow section, the swirly part of the wave, I strengthen the colors that are already there. For instance, if I see a green, I use a green pencil, not the rainbow pencil, because unexpected colors can muddy that area. On the shadow areas, I do not mind what comes out of the pencil. I rotate the page and occasionally take a photo, converting it to black and white. Color blinds me at this point, and removing it is useful in judging value and contrast more clearly. It's ironic, isn't it? To color well, you need to see without color. I move on to the buildings, starting with the cast shadows on the roof tiles and adjusting value and contrast. I'm not happy with that central part of the building. I've been working on it for a while and I want it to be a bit more saturated. So I'm reaching for some brush pens here. I'm looking for an orange and a brown. This part is rather repetitive and I'm honestly not enjoying it. It's laborious. I spent some time consolidating and planning for the next session. I also realize I'm running out of patience for this one. I really do miss my sketchbook practice, the proper one. I miss good paper and proper paints. But anyway, here I am. I've told myself that I'm going to stick with it, even if it bores me now. I can see where it is going, but I don't enjoy the effort it takes to get there. Right now, I can see several structural issues that need resolving. The sky is still a flat wash. That was deliberate, so I have flexibility later. Even though it's annoying me, I'm going to ignore it. The form's shadow on the board needs to be stronger. That comes first. The water feels a bit undecided and that needs to be sorted. One of the buildings still needs to move beyond the base stage. For the next session, I'm only working for 45 minutes and these will be my priorities. Regardless of what happens in that session, I will be ending my endless misery.